In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find archived projects in Asana. If you've ever finished a project in Asana and archived it to keep your workspace clean, you might later realize you need to go back and review something. Maybe you want to reuse a structure, check past tasks, or pull some data for a report. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where those archived projects live and how to bring them back up quickly, using Asana's built-in project browsing tools. First, start by opening Asana and going to any project in your workspace. On the left-hand side of your screen, where you see your list of projects, look for the project you're currently in. Right beside the project name, you'll see a small arrow icon. This arrow usually points down or to the side, and it lets you open up more options related to that project and your workspace. Click on that arrow. When you click the arrow, a small menu or panel will appear. In this panel, look for the option that says Browse Projects. This is the area where Asana groups all the projects in your workspace, both active and archived, into one place with filters and sorting options. Go ahead and click on Browse Projects. You'll now be taken to the project browsing page. Here, you should see a list or grid of projects, and at the top of this area, there will be several filters you can use to narrow down what you're looking for. One of these filters is labeled Status. This filter controls whether you're seeing active projects, archived projects, or all of them together. Click on the Status option to open the drop-down menu. In the drop-down, you'll see different status choices. Select Archived. As soon as you click Archived, Asana will update the list to show only the projects that have been archived in your workspace. From here, you can scroll through to find the project you need, open it to view tasks and details, or use it as a reference for new work. That's all you need to do to locate archived projects in Asana. Open the project menu, browse projects, filter by status, and choose Archived. Once you get used to this flow, it becomes a quick way to revisit completed work without cluttering your active project list.